It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Saturday, the 23rd of July. I'm Michael Groff. A foreshadowing of things to come out there this morning with widely scattered showers and thunderstorms across the valley. We're seeing some gusty winds, blowing dust, and a few of you are even seeing some rain. And we will see a very active monsoon pattern picking up here later this weekend, and especially for the first half of the upcoming week, and that may continue well beyond that. The potential for heavy rain and flash flooding will increase as well by tomorrow, and again, especially on Monday. All right, there's a lot going on. Let's get into it here. First, we'll take a look at the almanac from yesterday. 114 degrees was the afternoon high, and we did it again. Yet another record warm low temperature, this time at 95, and that's the second warmest low temperature we've ever had here in Phoenix. The normal high 106, the normal low 85. And so far, July 2022, well, it's been brutal. Take a look at this. The mean temperature for the month so far, 99.3 degrees. That puts it on pace for the hottest July ever, actually the hottest month ever here in Phoenix. Now, we do expect lower temperatures here over the next 7 to 10 days, below average temperatures, and that should spare us from breaking that all-time record that goes all the way back to that year that shall not be mentioned. And also with decent chances for significant precipitation over the forecast period, we should cut into that rainfall deficit as well. All right, as we take a look east toward Camelback Mountain right now at 6:05 a.m., well, you actually can't see Camelback because it is obscured by dust and some light rain showers as well. Scattered showers and storms across the valley at this time. And we're sitting at 86 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 66, relative humidity 52%. Wind from the south-southeast at 24, gusting to 36 miles per hour. And the barometer 29.86 inches and rising rapidly. All right, here's the radar right now, and you can see showers and thunderstorms across Pinal County. We've had a few blowing up here over the West Valley. And again, most of the rain at this time is fairly light, to some heavier rain to the south and east of us. These showers and storms are moving from east to west or southeast to northwest, and so we do expect to see at least some scattered showers and storms through the next couple of hours across the greater Phoenix area. And you can see why. The pattern is beginning to change once more here over the southwest. Our upper ridge is now moving off toward the Four Corners. The flow aloft is turning more out of the southeast. We had another major thunderstorm complex, one of those big MCSs across northwest Mexico last night. And so as that is dying out, it is sending significant moisture into southern Arizona. And so that has helped to fuel those showers and storms early this morning. All right, here's the watch warning map. We've got heat still as an issue across the Plain States. From Oklahoma City to Kansas City, St. Louis, all the way up to Chicago. Excessive heat warnings, heat advisories. We've got a severe thunderstorm watch over parts of South Dakota and Minnesota, from Aberdeen and Pierre east toward Minneapolis, St. Paul. And the convective outlook for today, some of those same areas under the gun with that enhanced risk, level 3 out of 5. Minneapolis, La Crosse, over toward Eau Claire, Madison, and Milwaukee, Wisconsin, that enhanced risk. Here in Arizona, we're in the green. Thunderstorms possible today. While we don't anticipate organized severe weather, any one storm during the monsoon can always become severe. And here's the precipitation outlook valid through next Saturday morning. Rain amounts here in Phoenix, 1 inch to maybe 1 1/3 inches. 2 to 4 inch totals over the rim country and the eastern mountains. 3 to 5 inch totals for parts of southern and southeast Arizona, the international border, and across northwest Mexico, as a very active monsoon pattern will be with us. And so let's get into the details of that now. To do that, we'll explore the models, see what they say. This is the GFS. It's the 06Z run. This is valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. And this is the upper chart at 500 millibars, or about 18,000 feet off the ground. We've got our ridge scooting off to the northeast, the flow aloft turning out of the southeast across the area, and that has opened the door for deeper monsoon moisture to come in, as you're already seeing out there. And a disturbance or two will rotate in here, one such inverted trough coming in later this afternoon, tonight, and tomorrow. So what that means below all of that, down at the surface, the synoptic look here, partly cloudy, yes, some scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms across the valley this morning, and then scattered showers and storms redevelop over the eastern portion of the state later this afternoon and tonight out ahead of that trough. And so they will be moving from generally east to west or southeast to northwest. So I think after this morning's round of storms, the rest of the day should stay relatively quiet around here, but there is a small chance we could see a storm as early as late this afternoon with some gusty winds. High temperatures today, a little bit tricky. If we manage to get more rain this morning, we may have to bump our temps down For now, we're going with a range of 105 to 109, but keep in mind we could be a little lower than that. Tonight, partly cloudy in the evening, mostly cloudy late, with a chance of showers and thunderstorms coming in, especially after midnight, but maybe even in the late evening hours. And overnight lows somewhere in the 80s. And then tomorrow, here comes that inverted trough, and the winds aloft start to increase. Much deeper moisture comes in here as well, as we've been talking about for the last several days. Better dynamic support. So scattered to numerous showers and thunderstorms nearly statewide. And high temperatures tomorrow will be a bit lower, somewhere I'd say in the upper 90s to around 105. It really depends on the cloud cover. We're a little bit uncertain about that aspect of it, and that's going to be a challenge to this forecast, as we'll continue to talk about here. But overall, temperatures are going to head down as those rain chances come up. All right, now moving to Sunday night and Monday. Widespread showers and thunderstorms across the mountains, numerous showers and storms over the deserts, and the forecast emphasis is going to shift from that of a severe weather threat today and tomorrow to more of a heavy rain and flash flood potential from Sunday night onward, as that very deep tropical moisture is in here, and any thunderstorms that develop would be very efficient rain producers. So the one challenge that we'll have to our forecast as we go to Monday, we are expecting mostly cloudy sky, numerous showers and thunderstorms around, and the potential of heavy rain. But with a lot of cloud cover around, it really is we're going to depend on dynamic forcing and dynamic lift in the atmosphere from a disturbance that we do expect to still linger around here. But if that really doesn't materialize as advertised, it could just be one of those summer days that we get from time to time where it's just cloudy and soupy and muggy, and we get an occasional shower or rumble of thunder, and that might be what it is. Otherwise, high temperatures are still expected to be well below average, probably staying in the 90s all day. And in fact, if it turns out to be a really wet day, we might not even break 90 degrees. That would be great. Monday night, still expecting those showers and storms. Even into Tuesday, we'll continue with at least a 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms and the potential of heavy rain, as still a ton of tropical moisture will be in place. And active weather is expected to continue for the rest of the week, although we'll return to a more typical, albeit active, monsoon forecast. So it'll be partly sunny, warm, humid, with scattered to numerous afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, as ridging establishes itself somewhere over the Great Basin and the flow aloft remains easterly or maybe northeasterly across Arizona. So storms that develop over the higher terrain will push toward the lower deserts, but we expect atmospheric moisture to stay well above climatological normals, and that's going to mean temperatures will likely remain below average all the way through the rest of the forecast period, likely in the upper 90s to around 104. All right, here's a week from today. This is Saturday, the 30th of July. No change in the forecast, really. High pressure remains centered somewhere to the north or northwest of us, so an easterly or northeasterly flow continues, and that means scattered to even numerous afternoon and nighttime showers and thunderstorms will be with us, and temperatures likely remaining below normal. And then as we go out 10 days, this is Monday, the 1st of August, and not a whole lot of change. Maybe the ridge drifts a little closer to us, and the forecast turns to more of a typical monsoon with partly sunny, hot, humid conditions and scattered afternoon and evening showers and storms. Still, though, the chance of rain will be with us each afternoon, even in that setup. Looking at rainfall for Phoenix, this is going out through the 6th of August, coming off of the European ensemble. And yeah, looks very active here. The ensemble mean up around 2 inches. You've got some of the individual members here ranging from barely over 1/10 of an inch all the way up to about 5 inches of rain. So obviously active weather will continue for a while. And then temperatures off the national blend of models, it might not even get up into the 107, 108, 109, 110 range today. We might actually be lower than that if these clouds and showers manage to hang on through the morning hours. Otherwise, we do expect temperatures to remain mostly below average for quite some time. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. With active weather to continue, we're on a 7-day schedule. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell, leave those comments, questions, and suggestions. Music fans, check it out. Available rain or shine 24/7, 365. It's my streaming station. It's there just for you. We play a lot of music, have a lot of fun while doing that. Well, it's not just for you. It's for everybody, but you know, it kind of is just for you. Myself and the one and only Michelle program and operate that station. It is our labor of love, so do check it out. I leave a link to it in the description. Thank you so much for watching, all of your continued support. It is greatly appreciated. You guys be safe, stay cool, stay hydrated out there. Enjoy the rain where you can find it, and have yourselves a beautiful Saturday.